Hey guys, welcome to another Mixed Messages video. In this one I'm showing you how I created winter fall nails. I incorporated a darker green and some typical fall and winter stickers to kind of combine both seasons as we're wrapping up the colder weather. I started with prepping my natural nails. I started with using the e-nail file and a sanding band around the cuticle area as well as the surface of the nail. After you've done that to all fingers, you can stop there, just clean it off with rubbing alcohol on a lint-free wipe and move on to putting on your nails. But an optional step is to use a cuticle bit like this one. It's a bit smaller and you can use that to get closer to the cuticle area and clean that up to make it look a bit more polished. I'm going back to using the sanding band here just to do the same steps on my other hand. Now that my nails are prepped, I'm using the Sky jelly tips in medium almond, and I'm using the same sanding band to etch the inner part of the nail on the part that's going to be touching and adhering to my natural nail. This will be so that it can better stick to each other when you're using the gel. Before I tried doing this myself and I saw other people etching and buffing the inner part of the nail before they applied it, I just thought it would be an annoying extra step. But once I tried it, I noticed the difference in how much longer the nail actually lasts and how it doesn't pop off at all because it's not smooth anymore. And it having that texture helps it grab on to the adhesive you're going to use to be able to stick the nail on. So now that I've tried that, even though it takes a couple more seconds, I guess, it's totally worth doing. Another thing I found is that apparently instead of buffing the inside of the nail, you can also just apply a coat of nail primer, and that helps it stick. I've tried that as well and haven't had any problems, so either one works. I'm going over my natural nails with a layer of prep from Sky from their jelly tip starter kit. I'm using the step 1 prep as well as the step 2 primer. Step 1 will be like your nail dehydrator to make sure there's no oils or anything on your nails, and the step 2 is more of a sticky layer. Now that all of that is done with my natural nail, I grab the tips that I prepared. Then I use base coat gel and put that on the inside of the jelly tip and place that over my nail as the adhesive or glue. I usually use the Sky nail lamp that's easier to use for this because it's more open, but I had seen a video of someone else using a regular nail lamp like this, so I just brought the old one I had out to see how it would be to apply the nails this way. So it did feel a little bit awkward sometimes since you're just kind of sticking your nail there for the light to catch it, but it's not open in the three sides like the Kiara Sky lamp. But it did still get the job done. So if you don't have the Kiara Sky lamp and you have a normal one like this, you can still do the same thing. Now that I've added all my nails on this hand, I'm doing the same thing on my other hand. I apply a layer of prep, primer, and then use the base coat gel as the glue for my nails, and hold that over my nail, pressing down to make sure there's no air bubbles, and put that in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. Once I have all my nails on, I just kind of take a look at them and feel them out. I'm using the file to go around the nails and get any imperfections that I can see to sharpen up the shape. And if you've used these nail tips before or similar tips like this, oftentimes there's that small little piece at the end that kind of sticks out, so I use a file to smooth that over. Once any filing is done, I use a lint-free nail wipe with 70% rubbing alcohol and clean off the surface of all nails to make sure all dust is removed before we go into any nail colors. For this set, I skipped on using the base coat under the gel color. I just went straight in with a regular nail polish. For this set, I found this dark green color in my collection. I've had this for years. It's a Sally Hansen color, so it's a regular nail polish. It's not gel, so you don't need a nail lamp to dry it. This is an air dry, old school nail polish. I thought that I should use it anyway since it kind of went with the theme I was going for, and I had the time to let it air dry before I went into using any gel colors. And I thought the color went perfectly with the theme here. I've never been good at painting my nails, so you'll see that I use a nail brush with rubbing alcohol along the cuticle line to make sure that anything that I got on there is removed before it fully air dries. I can't believe I had this color and wasn't using it all these years. It's so pretty. Now I'm using these stickers that I got off of a pack from Amazon. It's a bunch of different fall leaves and stickers, and I chose to use some white and gold. I'm using a few nail stickers from this pack that I got from Amazon. I wanted this set to be easy to design since I know doing freehand nail art with just gel paint is very difficult. One of the easiest ways to really do that is using nail stickers. I got this pack off Amazon. It was a 12 pack with rhinestones and even the tweezer for not so much. I think it was under $20 or under $15, and it really saved me. I'm using the tweezer to pick up the nail sticker from the paper as well as apply it on my nails since they're so small. But using the tweezer makes it a lot easier, and once you got it on there, then you can use your finger to smooth it over since we're going to use gel on top of this to overlay it. If you're not very confident in freehand nail art or you're just starting out, I would recommend using nail stickers because they look the most perfect, but it takes no work at all. You literally just stick them on, whether you use a tweezer or just your fingers like normal, and then apply a top coat over it, and it looks like you did a great job. Looks like you did all this work, but really you didn't, and it looks great. At this point, I was happy with how my nails were looking with the stickers, but I wanted a little bit more, so I pulled out these rhinestones, also from the same pack that the stickers came with, and I'm using top coat gel as the adhesive for the rhinestone. So you can apply the top coat exactly where you want to put your rhinestone. You can use a rhinestone picker tool like this, place it right on top of the wet gel, and then put it into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. If you love adding gems or rhinestones to your nails, I would highly recommend this tool. I also got it from Amazon, and it's really helpful to pick up the gems and gently be able to place them on your nail, and the other side to be able to move the stones to wherever you need them to go, especially if they've moved after sitting on the gel for some time before you've cured them. I used to never have any nail art at all. Whenever I had my nails, it was just a solid color, like black nails, white nails, pink nails, gray nails, and that's it. And now that I've started trying these gems and stickers, it kind of feels addicting. You kind of start and then you just want more. I put down a layer of the top coat gel wherever I am planning to add the rhinestones, and going in with the picker tool and adding the gems onto the wet gel before curing. If you want to really secure the gems, I would recommend going in with another top coat layer after you've added the rhinestones and cure for another full 60 seconds to make sure that they're encased. If you really want the rhinestones to last, I also put on a layer of top coat after I've added the rhinestones to make sure they stay in place. That's everything I did for these fall winter nails. My last step was just adding some cuticle oil and showing them off, I guess. My last step is adding cuticle oil and we're done. I really liked how this set came out. I feel like it's a good transition set between fall and winter. Thanks for watching. Bye.